Hey guys, it's Miss Johnson. Um, Earlier in class today, you started the word problems, the story problems, um, and I'm just going to go over the first one with you, just as a way for me to get my thoughts into your head, so that when you come back and finish these on Thursday, you kind of have more vocabulary to work with, more of an idea of what's kind of what I'm thinking, and then you can talk to your group about other ideas and other perspectives that you have. And then I'll also model exactly what I mean by these three steps. Okay, let's just go. Number one, Kelvin was an avid starfish collector, but his hobby is a challenge to maintain. In his secret tide pool, he has 17 starfish. He has 17 starfish of every color. Nice. He tries to find one new starfish every 3 months. Okay, how long will it take Kelvin to reach his ambitious goal of 100 starfish in a tide pool, of a 100 starfish tide pool? Okay, so what I'm thinking is we've got 17, we want to add something, and then eventually we'll have 100. Cool. So far, this is 17 starfish plus some other number of starfish equals a total number of starfish, which is good. We want it all to be the same unit, right? Except now I'm going to say, okay, we get this many starfish every month. Okay, if 3 months go by and we get one starfish, that means we kind of get 1/3 of a starfish every month. So we get 1/3 in January, 1/3 in February, 1/3 in March. So by March, we have one whole starfish, right? And the way I'm going to think about this is one starfish divided by 3 months. So one starfish for 3 months times the number of months should have the unit starfish. And that's why we get to do the 1/3 times m, and it's still starfish. Okay, so here's my number one goal was to write an equation. And I've done that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase this so I can keep writing down here. All right, my number two goal for this question is to solve the equation for the requested value. So I've got my equation. I'm going to stop writing the units. If I'm solving for m, I want to undo all the operations that have happened to m. And we've been practicing this a little in class. So let's try it out. If I'm undoing 17 plus and times 1/3, the first thing I'm going to undo is the plus 17. I'm going to undo it with minus 17. It's because usually we do PEMDAS is the order of operations, but when we're solving, we do them backwards. So we undo the addition and the subtraction first. (100 minus 17 is 83. Okay, now we're undoing the divided by 3, the times 1/3. And we do that by multiplying by 3 on both sides. All right, so this side becomes m. 83 times 3, you can do it in your calculator, you can do it in your head. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 8 is 24. So I've solved it. I've circled my answer. Circled, I think it's 249 months. All right, but step 3 is me checking my work. So I'm going to say, okay, if there's been 249 months, and every 3 months we get a starfish, that means we have 87 more starfish. But we already had, 83 more starfish. We already had 17. So I add these together for a total of 100, which is what we wanted. So now I've also checked my work. So a complete answer to one of these story problems is the equation, the answer, and the checked work. All right, guys. That's the quick video. By by the end of class, I'll ask you if you want me to record any other videos. I'll record them during lunch so you can watch them in the afternoon. All right, thanks, guys. I'll see you on Thursday.